I'm Chris Troy, and welcome to another edition of Education in Focus. Today we'll be joining Yale High School sophomores as they visit Blue Water Controls to learn all about manufacturing while celebrating Manufacturing Day.
So we've been participating in Manufacturing Day for about 5 or 6 years now, and it started with the contact from SCCRESA and the introduction of what Manufacturing Day really is and was about, and right away we wanted to partner with them and be part of this day.
Today we're at Blue Water Controls. We have Yale High School 10th graders here. We're just kind of going through some of the robotics and engineering and welding opportunities that they have here that we also share at SC4. We're just kind of looking to get some other interests and career pathways to some of your students, just to let them know that there are more options out there other than just your normal pathway through college.
So working as a project manager at Blue Water Controls, I find it very satisfying working with the different technologies. We're working with lasers, and we're working with vision systems, and we get to work on not only automotive related products but also medical. We're working in the packaging industry, so a lot of different industries, a lot of different new technologies, and it's very exciting.
I think the students these days don't get an opportunity to get real hands-on in what manufacturing is. The paradigm of what manufacturing has been isn't what it is today, being as progressive, fun, safe, intelligent, and all those aspects that come into manufacturing, and we really want to expose the newer generations to that.
This type of environment where Wayne opens up his shop makes a safe environment where kids can come in, ask questions, see what's happening, and they can learn about manufacturing from a different level, where this is not I Love Lucy, where you're putting a bottle cap on. It's critically important that kids see and have the opportunity to do some hands-on learning because the workforce is really shrinking and there's a lot of need for fresh eyes and opportunities for young people.
SC4 looks for people that are in county that can go through the workforce. Just here at Blue Water Controls, we have 11 employees that are on site with us right now, and 10 of them are all SC4 alumni.
So manufacturing involves so many other disciplines than it did years ago. Years ago, manufacturing used to be you just take a part and maybe put it into a stamping machine and you take it back out. And it's loud, noisy, dark, and unsafe. Manufacturing these days, really, there's all kinds of aspects to it, whether it's automation or assembly or machining or the talents, the disciplines that need to be involved in a lot of this manufacturing is really on the craftsmanship level as opposed to a generic put something in and take something out.
Wow, it sure is interesting just how much manufacturing has changed over the years. And it's great that these students now know that manufacturing doesn't just mean manual labor, but also using their skills in math, engineering, and craftsmanship. Thanks a lot for watching, and keep your eyes open for the next Education in Focus.